What is up, everybody? Dalton with Byrider Madison. Wanted to just come on and showcase a vehicle here for you for the month of September. Wanted to show one that's been pretty hot recently. A lot of phone calls about it. People asking questions about it. So I just wanted to point it out to you. Our 2019 Chevy Traverse. It's kind of hard to tell by the video, but it is a very nice, like, dark purple color. And with the silver rims, really nice combo together. So just coming to the inside here. Very nice leather dash, kind of a yellow stitching, tan stitching, goes really nice together. Very clean inside, as you can tell by the center here. Big screen for your backup camera, all your audio and navigation settings. Coming here also has, whether you're hauling a trailer, going off-roading, whatever the situation might be, it is all-wheel drive. Very nice, especially here in the Wisconsin winters. Going here to the back. Oh, and it does have heated seats as well. Going here to the back, we have the two captain chairs. The vehicle is third row, very nice. A couple nice other features that it has. With the remote, it does have the lifted tailgate in the back, where you do have your floor mats for the vehicle, kind of nice. And then laying down, obviously if you need more space, you can lay down the rear seats, and you can push the captain chairs all the way up, giving you plenty of room in case you got to haul a bunch of equipment or anything like that. And then it does have the assisted close as well. Also, this vehicle does come with remote start as well. So really nice feature, especially for Wisconsin winters. If you are, please give me a call. I'd be more than glad to try and help you. Try and get into something, especially if credit's not the greatest. 608-663-1213. Dalton, Byrider Madison, always here to help. Give me a call. Talk to you soon.